The mayor of New Haven took the stand today in a wrongful conviction case against the city. That only happened because he started talking about a settlement publicly. This all centers around the case of a man who spent more than 2 decades behind bars for a crime he didn't commit. NBC Connecticut's Jane Chaco explains what happened in court.
Mayor Justin Elicker did not say anything outside of Hartford Federal Court following instructions from a judge presiding over a 1990 double murder case involving police misconduct. Stefon Morant was wrongfully convicted in that case, spending 21 years in prison. It wasn't until 2015 he was released, and then another 6 years until he was exonerated. Another man who was tied to the case and had his conviction overturned, Scott Lewis, received a $9 million settlement from the city. Morant did not, so now he's suing the New Haven Police Department. In an NBC Connecticut interview on April 30th, we asked Elicker why a settlement was reached with Lewis and not Morant.
We evaluate each case and the merits of each case. I can't legally talk about the specifics of the case because there's an ongoing trial.
This is what the mayor said that got him in hot water. Elicker told the New Haven Register yesterday that the payout Morant wanted was, quote, well beyond what is reasonable, and that his demands were, quote, so far beyond what any other case has settled for. No cameras were allowed inside court, but Morant's attorneys said discussions about settlements were confidential and that these comments could impact the trial. We asked the mayor about being called to court earlier today.
It appears that in this case the judge feels that I crossed the line, and I'm of course going to go and follow the judge's order and hear the judge out and follow the directive that the judge gives me. I want to be really sensitive to there's an ongoing trial. At the same time, I work really hard to be transparent in front of the press.
Elicker told the judge those comments were accurate, saying he was speaking generally and that he did not intend for his words to impact the trial. The judge ordered him and members of his administration to not speak publicly about the case moving forward. She told Elicker directly, quote, I hope you take this experience seriously. The trial picks up again tomorrow. In Hartford, Jane Chaco, NBC Connecticut News.